everything over here. I find it funny that they use the law to prove that the law doesn't apply. This is about 6 months later.
All right. I think everybody's here. Maria, you are muted right now. There you go.
So Mindy looks like a cartoon figure.
She's cartoonish these days.
Let's see.
All right. This is Summer Wilson, is that right?
Yes.
And I do have a copy of the mental health assessment. I'm going to consider that for the purposes here. And did you want to call your client to testify?
Yes, John.
If you would, raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about the give you the truth, the whole truth, nothing but self you got.
Yes.
Right.
Judge, I'm sorry, I can't see a prosecutor on this Zoom.
Forgot we need a prosecutor, don't we? Not everybody's here.
I thought maybe it was something wrong with my Zoom.
You might have had a chance if we don't have the prosecutor here.
Yeah.
I guess she's not here yet. It's a little early. It's only 10:28. That's Molly now. We'll wait till she shows up. Mindy's calling her right now.
So the attorney's office in the courier. Then back their office and they're out there and so he checks to you. They do not courier, but they do that can send up. It depends on who wants to get it first. That picture, that picture, correct. That courier just pick it up. They have a courier to pick it up, okay? Yeah. Well, I need to.
Isn't he? All right, there's Molly.
It's probably in fact right at the front there. Okay. And that's how much.
All right. We almost forgot you, Molly. Sorry.
It's okay.
All right. This is Summer Wilson. And the last question I asked was, did you want to call your client to testify?
Yes, John.
All right. If you would, raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give you the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right. You can proceed.
Miss Wilson, you do you know what you've been charged with?
No, I mean, not wholly. No, I don't.
All right, so You understand that you were arrested for assault causing bodily injury to a family member. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Your current bond is set at $5,000. Is that right?
yes,
And are you able to make that bond?
no,
Okay, and at this point, do you understand, do you understand why we are here today for a mental health bond application?
yes.
Okay. What does that mean to you?
It means I'm getting more stable with my mental health.
All right. So basically what it means is that if the judge approves your mental health bond, you would be able to be released, but however, you would be required to follow the bond conditions that the judge sets. And some of them will require that you be on medication, that you have a stable place to live, and that you can be transported to the courthouse when you need to appear at least once a month. And you need to be in contact with Tony Fox, who's currently on this Zoom. And you need to be on a weekly check-in with her. Do you understand that?
Yes,
All right. So do you suffer from mental health conditions that that requires prescriptions and maintenance?
well, I have bipolar with schizophrenia and along with other mental health diagnoses.
Are you currently on prescribed medication?
I threw them away
You threw them away.
before I came in. Yeah,
Are you
before I went to jail.
are you currently on any type of prescription medication?
I was on medication before I came in, but I haven't been on any medication since I've been in here.
And is it required that you be on medication by
Not
the doctor?
not by law or by a doctor. No, I went and I on my own.
So at this point, if you are released on a mental health bond, you do understand that you need to be checked out by a doctor to see whether or not you need to be on medication. Do you understand that?
Oh yeah, I am already going somewhere.
Okay, but not just going somewhere doesn't help. You need to actually be on medication. Do you understand?
Yeah,
that?
no, I understand.
Okay. So, can you tell me where you will be living if you were to be released?
1507 Wysong Drive.
And where is that at? I mean, who does this place belong to?
It's a family member.
Who is the family member?
It's my daughter.
It's your daughter?
Yeah.
Okay. Does your daughter live with your mother?
No.
And have you talked to your daughter about allowing you to stay there?
Yeah, my mom's gonna be helping me go back and forth to the doctors and stuff. My mom and my daughter.
See, but your mom and your daughter are currently not on this Zoom. Is that right?
No. My mom came down here the day after I got arrested, went into the mental health portion of this. Went to the court.
Who was the alleged family member on your assault?
My mom.
Your mom. Okay. All right. So, who will be transporting you back and forth from the courthouse?
It would be between the two of them, and then Life Path said that they could help me with some type of transportation sometimes too.
Do you have any prior criminal history?
No, I've never had a felony. I just misdemeanors, traffic tickets, and nothing major at all.
Past witness.
Any questions from the state?
Miss Wilson, do you know if an emergency protective order was issued in this case?
No, it wasn't, because my mom came, like I said, my mom came down the next day after I got arrested to the courthouse to help get me going into the mental health portion of this.
Okay. And it looks like maybe when you were first booked into the jail, you said you didn't need mental health help. Have you changed your mind since then?
Well, I never said I didn't need mental health. They asked if I took medicine and I didn't have any medicine.
Okay,
No, they didn't ask me for mental health when I came in.
okay. Pass a witness.
Anything else from the defendant?
No, Your Honor, just some closing arguments, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me do the state first. Does the state have anything else to offer?
Just that, to read some of the, criminal record into her criminal history into the record, sir.
Okay.
I believe on November 30th, 2014 in Tennessee, Miss Wilson was arrested for criminal trespass and placed on probation. On February 10th of 2019 in Tennessee, there was a violation of probation for domestic assault, no dispo information on that. And May 27th of 2019 in Tennessee, she was arrested for resisting arrest or obstruction of legal process and disorderly conduct and DUI in Tennessee. No dispo information on that. And that's all the criminal history that I do have.
Do you rest?
Yes, Your Honor, and close.
Any argument from the state?
Your Honor, we're going to object to mental health PR bond due to the nature of the offense.
And did you have something else you wanted to add, Maria?
I just want to say that, Judge, I have reached out to the mother, and I did not know about the daughter, so I'm unable to verify that information. However, Your Honor, I believe that because it's a Class A misdemeanor, she will be eligible for a regular PR bond in about 1 week from today. And I would think that it'd be better for her to be on a mental health bond rather than just a regular PR bond, considering the
I agree.
history, considering the history that she's had with medical, mental health issues, as well as being on prescription medication. That's all I have. Rest in
Okay.
peace.
Well, because of the type of charges, I'm going to deny bond this time. When it's time to get her on a regular PR bond, we can add mental health conditions to it. But for today, I'm not going to grant bond. Okay. Good luck. Thank y'all.
Can we lower my bond?
No.
Okay, thank you.